Hello and welcome. My name's Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind The Country Chic Cottage. Today we're going to make sublimation Christmas stockings for your holiday crafting. Now this project is fairly easy, however I do have some tips and tricks for you along the way that you don't want to miss. I also have a set of free Christmas sublimation designs. It includes the 2 designs that I'm showing here, as well as several other designs for your Christmas crafting. So if you have not grabbed that bundle yet, I will link to it in the description below this video. Sign up and it will be sent to your email, and you can use these free designs all holiday season. Today we're going to use these to make a couple of Christmas stockings, and I think you're going to love them. Now I personally love this sublimation blank. It's a very luxurious feeling blank to me, like very sturdy, really nice feeling blank. Does not feel like polyester, although it is. However, I will note a few things about the blank during this video, and do be sure to watch that just to make sure that you really do want these, because they are more of a cream color and a few other things, just to make sure you do want to get those before you order them. However, I am linking to the blanks themselves in the description below this video if you want to pick up exactly what I'm using. So now let's take a look at the supplies we're going to use. The supplies you're going to need are as follows. So you'll need protective paper, a lint roller, your sublimation stockings. Now these are made out of a polyester material, so you do want to find something that is light colored, says that it is for sublimation, or is made out of polyester. Then you'll need your sublimation print. These are sublimation ink printed on a sublimation printer on sublimation paper, heat resistant gloves, heat tape, and then because the stockings have so many seams, I do recommend some kind of pressing pillow for the inside. And then I'm going to be using my Easy Press as well as my Easy Press mat. You could use any heat press for these. For the designs, I'm going to make them in Canva this time, so let's head to Canva and see how to do that. Open up Canva and choose a custom canvas and set it for your paper size. In my case, it is 8.5 by 11 inches. Then you want to upload your designs. I have a set of free Christmas sublimation designs, and I will link to those in the description below this video. You can pick and choose from those for your sublimation stockings. First, I'm going to add a name to the page. Click text, type your name, and then pick from the wide variety of fonts. I played around with different styles, different fonts, until I got the look that I wanted. Then add whatever image you want on your stocking and resize both of those to fit the stocking itself. You want to make sure that the name fits on the top of the stocking, so be sure to measure the width as well as the height. Now here my name and image both fit on one page, but you may need 2 pages depending on the size you make your designs. So I did want to note here, to make everything match, I picked a color for my font from the photo color. So all you do is pick the eyedropper and then play around on the photo and pick different colors until you find the one that you like. Then go ahead and download your design. You can't print directly from Canva, you will need to download it, and then use the program of your choice to print to your sublimation printer. Use the same settings that you always use for your sublimation printer. Add your stocking to your Easy Press mat. Now I'm heating my Easy Press to 385 degrees, and I'm going to press these for 55 seconds. First of all, I got these from a listing on Amazon. They said they were white, but they are a very tan beige color. And if you see, like, this paper is white and these are kind of a creamy off-white or a creamy white. Second, these did not have any instructions for time or temperature that I saw, nor did they have any kind of template for the stocking itself. So although I think these are a very nice stocking, they're very high quality, you might look for other stockings if you're looking for something that has a template or a specific time and temperature. But this did work for me. So now we want to preheat these. Now I'm going to sublimate the name up here and my picture in the middle, about right here. You can sublimate on both sides of these. So I'm just going to preheat both surfaces. So I just want to remove any wrinkles, any moisture from the stocking itself. Let's do the image on the bottom first. So I'm going to add my pressing pillow to the inside of the stocking, and I'm going to press it down to where that image will go. So I have the pressing pillow down here. Now all that does is lift that center up, because there are seams running across both those sides. It does help with your sublimation. And next I'm going to tear this sublimation print. This helps with any press lines. Now the stocking itself is sort of a canvas burlap type material, and I find that it does not get press lines as bad as just plain polyester. However, ripping your sublimation print is never a bad idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip around that. Before adding your design, you'll wanna lint roll the area really well. Then we'll just locate the design on the stocking, make sure it's where you have your pillow located, and just locate the design wherever you would like. And then we'll use a few pieces of heat-resistant tape to tape that down. And now we need some protective paper. I'm gonna put protective paper over the top. You could also add protective paper on the pressing pillow that's inside the stocking. Now these stockings are a double layer of fabric, so I don't think that it is going to go through both layers. So I'm going to skip that, but you definitely could to be safe. Plus the pressing pillow that I'm using, I have plenty of it on a roll, so if any ink gets on it, I can change it out. And then we're gonna press 385 degrees, 55 seconds, and you do wanna use about medium pressure on this. So now when time's up, we'll lift that up, lift the paper, and remove your sublimation print to reveal your gorgeous design on the stocking. Now that you have this bottom done, we're going to sublimate the top. So I moved the pressing pillow up to the top, and we're going to repeat the same thing. So I already pre-pressed this. We'll just lint roll it off, tear the sublimation print, locate that design on the top of the stocking, add heat-resistant tape to hold that into place, cover with protective paper, and I'm reusing the protective paper from last time, and then press. 385, 55 seconds, medium pressure. You do want to be sure not to get on your first print, so your easy press should be located where it doesn't cover the first print that you pressed. Once that's done, lift up and peel back your sublimation print. Now you can remove the pressing pillow, and this stocking is complete. So I'm going to repeat with a second stocking and show you those results as well. So I ended up making both of these Christmas stockings, and I absolutely love the way they turned out. So both designs are available in my free Christmas Designs bundle, and you will find that linked in the description below this video. And then if you want to purchase exactly these Christmas stockings, you can. You could probably use the same tutorial for any sublimation Christmas stocking blank. However, watch your time and temperature recommendations. Some stocking blanks may recommend something different than I've used here, and you would want to go with that, especially if the material was thin or how some polyesters can burn. It might be a lower time, lower temperature situation, so you may want to look at that before you start in the listing wherever you purchase your sublimation stocking blanks. Otherwise, these tips and tricks will work for any blank, and I hope you'll make some sublimation stockings for your entire family. If you have any questions about anything we've covered, drop down in the comment section, ask away. If you liked this video, if it helped you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have videos just like this one every single week. Trust me, you don't want to miss any of those. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.